All right, Rusty James update. Where am I at? I got the springs in front and rear. So you guys saw me do the front. I struggled on this left or passenger side rear because the I don't know if you can see in there. Let's see if I can get you some light. That's better. There's some light. All right. Yeah, so I struggled with this one. This one was a bear. I had to cut the back side of that. But I got her in. All right, springs in. I got new shock absorbers, but they're not the right length. They're too short. I got 12 inches, and I think those are going to have to be 14. I was assuming it would drop more than it did. And I still need to grease. I still need to grease everything there, but finally, lower shocks are in, tires back on. I don't know, I didn't measure. Maybe we'll get a tape measure and see. I have a tape measure back here. I don't. Garage is so hard to work in because I have so much crap. Oh, I gotta get rid of some crap. Get rid of this motor. Let's see. Tape measure, tape measure, tape measure, measure tape. Negative. Negative. All right, stand by. Measure tape. Measure tape, tape measure. There we go. Quick draw. Measure tape. All right, we'll compare this to what it was from the video before. I'll have to find that because I don't recall, but all right, from the floor, we're about 27 inches on the front side. Is this side the same? Let's see. Interesting. That's 20, 28. Okay. Rear end. We're at about 28 and 3/4. Yep, 28 3/4. Let's see the other side. Don't trip over all your crap. Too much crap. Almost died. Alright. This side. Let's see how we sit. 28 3/4. Alright, so those sides look good. That's good. That's good. I was going to measure the bed, the interior of the bed too. Let's check that out. Because I got those pieces. What I was going to do. Let's see. Looks like 49. Yeah, right at 49 inches wide. Let's go underneath that and feel better about it. Yeah, 49. 49 on the back end. I was gonna do these guys, which are out of a big rig, and those are a foot wide, right? Yeah, those are a foot. Right at a foot. So, but they're 12 feet long, and the bed is 6'6". So I'm short 6 inches. So if that's 49, 48 is 4 foot. All right. Under your doubters. 48, 4 foot. So I need 4 foot 1 inch wide, which would be 4 of those guys at 6 foot. which is why I only bought 2 from the fella selling them, because I thought that'll work out just right. But as you can see, 6 foot 6. 6 foot 6 inches, not 6 foot. I was assuming 6 foot. So that's the drag. And I was gonna half these, so I wasn't gonna put a bolt. I was gonna do this one, you know, make it a foot wide. Skip that one, skip this one, foot wide. Yeah, so like I said, skip that one, skip this one, make it a foot wide instead of 6 inches, and reduce these. Just get rid of them. And I'm contemplating putting in a 6-inch back piece back here this way, either in the back or the front, to make up that difference of one solid oak piece for my bed. It'll be a little different, but that's already all distressed, you know. And all I'm gonna do is put it in and oil it up. Probably just oil it, linseed oil or some shit like that, and leave it. But I gotta figure out how to make up that difference. So, yeah, so I got these springs in. That's where we're at with that. Oh, that's my clutch. That's not my clutch, but my adapter plate. Because I was gonna do a T5 transmission, and I still can't make up my mind whether just to go with this transmission, drop this other flathead in, to that transmission, the 3-speed, or if I should kick it up to a 5-speed. Oh, and I got shock absorbers, Speedway, non-sponsored, obviously. I don't have I'm making any money on YouTube. Yeah, so I got 12-inch shock absorbers, but those are too short. Might work on the front, but too short for the back, so I didn't put those in yet. So I'm not sure what my next step is. I might do that, or I got the brake. Oh, don't pay attention to my terrible mess. But I got the brake booster in here. I think this is it right here. Yeah. So that might be next, figuring out the brake booster before I drop in that motor, while I still got some space to kind of work down there, because it's gonna go right there, underneath. So it goes on the back side. That's where both the right there and right there, that's the pedals, the clutch and the brake. Obviously brake on this side, that's the brake right there. And yeah, I might pull that other out there and put that booster in, but I gotta change the line. I gotta put in something different for the discs up front. I still haven't finished the lines for the disc brakes. I gotta do that. I gotta break those off. Those are being fussy. They don't want to move. They don't want to turn. And I don't want to break them because I'd like to use them, but I don't know if I can use those lines. Comment below. Let me know, because I don't know. I also got electric to do. I got my whole kit over here, all from Vintage, that 6 volt to 12 volt conversion. And so far, I did, all I did was the, I can't remember the name of the coil, but I did the coil and the spark plug wires. I did though. Didn't do a great job because I could have run it all through that, and I didn't. Wasn't thinking. Oh, we all make mistakes. So anyway, I've got this. Here's what I got to do. Get the voltage regulator, get rid of that, rewire the battery. Yeah. But old Vintage sent me this whole thing, and here's my kit to do it. Plus an air cleaner that doesn't fit. I think I actually have 2 or 3 of those. And that's where I'm at. So not much to watch on what I did for work, because the work is done, what I did. Sorry it's taking so long, but it's super cluttered and cold out here, and heat in this place is a bear. My heater ain't big enough for as big as my garage is. I got a tiny little heater up there and running right now. End up cost me $200 a month to try to heat the garage. So that's why not as many videos as maybe I should be, but yeah, I got the leaf springs in. Got to exchange my shocks and get the other shocks, and then we'll look at getting this engine squared away. That's where I'm at. Oh, and I want to change that grill. Let me know what you guys think. I want to put the grill in from my my other truck. It's more white than this. I also have another grill, but that one's like primer looking. I don't know if I want to do the primer. I think I want to do the white one. It still has patina and whatever. There's the other one. You know, this one looks like it's just been sprayed primer. And yeah, I don't think I want to. I think I want to do the other one. I have another one that's, like I said, white. I think I'm gonna put the white grill in the teeth. Let me know in the comments if anybody's got any suggestion what you think. Yeah, I think it'd be better. I put on the chrome from that other one. That's what I want to do. I want to make this part, these teeth, this part, and this part all kind of white, and leave the rest of that patina as is. I don't know what kind of struggle that'll be to make it happen, but I might do that next. We'll see. See how I'm feeling, how froggy I'm feeling. As I said, I still got brake lines. I'm just such a scatterbrain on how I work. I haven't finished anything. So, yeah. And I need to create some space in here. I need to get rid of some stuff and create some space. And so I can move on to the next. Clear off this, put this thing together, move that out of the way. See if I can't get somebody who wants one. That might be a rebuilder. Yeah, APA, and then that's the one going to go in 8RT. So there you go. That's my update. Thanks for watching. Love you, mean it. Thanks for watching. If you like it, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. See you down the road.